on the money, slower delivery, and the long on fielder, and takes it. That's a brilliant catch. Lionel Samarakon sprinting across towards mid-wicket, takes the blinder.
The start they were looking for, they got it. They needed wicket up front. And Fareez, you were right, it was just slower delivery which has done the job for Sri Lanka. And what a superb catch. Had to really stretch himself and dive.
Backing himself and over, cover point for a boundary. Nothing wrong with the delivery, but Nizagat Khan, he made sure it goes over for a 4.
And nothing wrong with the shot also. It was very smartly played. He knows where the fielders are. There are only 4 there, so there's plenty of gaps. And just moved away a touch and played it very, very nicely with the angle bat. Yeah, the coach liked it.
Pull again. Same area, but the result is different. It's a 6.
I know it's a small boundary, but such a good timer of the ball. Nazakat saw the length and opening the blade at the last second. Using the crease coming down the pitch, and
that is better. This time it's a slower delivery. The previous 2 deliveries went for a 4 and 6 with pace, and this occasion a wicket of a slow one.
When you have such a good slow delivery, why to bowl quick? You're playing super 6s. This is where you need to have those variations and use that variation to the best of his ability.
Another slow delivery, picks it up and pumps it over side screen to end the over with a maximum. 7 for 2.
Of the pitch and bowl accordingly.
Full toss. And the fielder was there, but he was a mere spectator. Going for a Yorker, missing it and going over long off.
Last over. That's in the air. That might be out. Yeah, oh, just made a mess of it. He had things in control and at the last second realized that he's not going to get to it. Just overran it and missed an opportunity for picking up another wicket.
Nimesh Mukti, the culprit. That could have been the 3rd wicket of a slow delivery. Misjudged it. Unfortunately, at this level, got to be taken. Full toss, close to be a no ball. And umpire just having a look at them himself, probably. The batsman is certainly inquiring from the umpire, but I think it's a legal delivery and goes a maximum.
Yeah, it's gone for 6, that's for sure. It's just the batters are complaining or asking the umpire that if...
Full toss again. And that's the 3rd maximum of the over. His 2 overs done, 41 for 2.
Oh, he controls it. Yeah, he's got a good action as a left armer, although he's gone for 6, but the action was good. Delivery was good. It was a good shot, just purely a good shot.
Yeah, Ezra's coming down the track, clipping it over mid-wicket. Nothing wrong with the delivery. Sometimes if the batter plays a stroke like that, you just take the hat off, don't you? So the track again, and the long on fielder was quite wide. 6 followed by a boundary.
You cannot cover 2 places. You cannot be a mid-on and mid-wicket. So either you have someone at mid-on where he should have been, because he pushed the fielder more cow corner, it becomes very easy to play that shot.
And make it 6-4-6. Thandu Ratnayaka. Probably another boundary here, and no fine leg in place. Make it 20 of 4 deliveries.
All right, so here we have with our Sri Lankan manager, Samantha Dodinwala, 79 on the board. How are you feeling?
Another boundary in this over. Slower delivery, the slow spinner, and that goes to maximum as well. 30 runs from the 3rd over, 71 for 2.
From here. What about that? He's got it in one ball. Hong Kong wins by 4 wickets. A very, very comfortable win for Hong Kong, beating Sri Lanka. A very good side, but Hong Kong was too good for them.
Winning it by 4 wickets and 2.2 overs remaining.